everyone. So yeah, the best and the worst thing about life in my own experience. So I'd say the worst thing about life is just like feeling bad emotionally, like just feeling down, depressed, sad, lost, confused, heavy, and yeah, all those type of very strong emotions. And the best thing is for me feeling happiness, joy, like bliss, fulfillment, satisfaction, excitement, eagerness, enthusiasm, reciprocation of all of these high vibes, and of course love, feeling love, both romantic love as well as like deep, unconditional, beautiful, sweet love that you may have for your child, or even also potentially your mum or your dad, or potentially also for your partner, your partner in life, and having these things, and for friends, and having these things reciprocated. Like, that's the beauty of life for me. I just love it. I love people. My favorite thing with people is I love the fact that people are different. It's not so much a quality or a virtue, which that would be up there, or giant top. Yeah, my favorite thing about people would be a mixture of like the fact when they embody beautiful emotions and kindness and feelings and virtues and share them with you, or maybe even with others, but especially with me or you, because that's when you feel it the most. Yay, I love me, and they're being kind, and it's fun, it's happy, it's joyful, it's a lovely shared experience. And I also just love the fact about overall people, humanity. I love the variation. I love the fact we're all different. And for me, that adds a lovely colour and flavour to life, a lovely sparkle and shine. And I really, really deeply enjoy that. I appreciate people's differences, even when they're different to me, because of course they're going to be different to me. No one's the same as me. And I like to learn from other people's perspectives, because we can all learn from each other's perspectives and experiences and what we have to share. Our unique individuality is what I love about humanity, our unique individuality. And what I love, one of the things most about life is the fact that there's so much beautiful things in creation that you could say source or the universe has made. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, look at all the flowers, like the beautiful plants. I have a deep reverence, and I have a relationship with every plant. Every plant, divine, loving light being of love, happiness, joy and light. And they're beautiful flowers that the plants make. And every human being I have a relationship with. Everything. Every insect. Every animal. And I love being vegan for 15 years now because I respect, love and care for animals. And I've tuned myself to living that way. What else? I love learning. What else do I love the most about life? I love growing and learning and expanding and learning new things and growing into and to becoming a new person, a new version of myself, a higher version of myself. That's one of my favorite things about life. I love a mixture of silence and doing, quietness and stillness, and action and movement and motion. I love the waves. I love to see, that's variety. I love the variety of life that God or source of the universe has made. Yeah, I love all those type of things. I love all the different types of foods. I love all the different types of people. I even love poisonous plants. I love poisonous spiders. I love addictions. I love drugs. That's not to say I do them. I love anger. I have no hate towards, or bad feelings or animosity or resistance towards these things. I wish to have, and I have already developed a lot of loving acceptance and appreciation for the variety of life, including things that can be misused, abused, or we can get entangled with. I love cooked food. Not that I really eat much of it anymore. Most of the time I eat zero cooked food. I love raw food. I love nature's brewed, sun-fired, sun-warmed food, plants. I love fruits the most because there's a symbiotic positive relationship for the plant and humans when we eat fruits. Helps the propagation of the species, and the plant loses nothing. It's not harmed or killed. So I love no harm, compassion and kindness. I love to see people jogging, wearing a mask. A man there. Yeah, man, do I love masks? Why not? Let's love masks. Do I love shoes, which also obstruct and block from Mother Nature's elements, the earth, such as masks block from Mother Nature's element, the air. Both very destructive for you, very bad, especially in the long run. Not immediately, but over the medium and long term, disconnection from nature's essential elements, such as the air or the earth, terrible for you. Very, very bad. But I love the fact that it exists, and I welcome it. I accept it and welcome it into existence, into my life, into the observation that I do in my life, but not into my own choice. I love having a choice. See, with the opportunity to have a choice, I can choose, and I can say no to the things I don't resonate with, and I can say lovingly happy yes to the things I do resonate with. This guy's parking in my thing. I think I'm gonna park somewhere else. Too tight. He's over the line. I love him parking in my lane. I love having learned acceptance instead of resistance. I'm still learning, but I like how far I've come. I love everything and everybody, almost. I'm working on loving the cabal more, and the Arcturians have helped me. I love my teachers. I love my Facebook friends. I love Yelena Skipina. Yeah. Give her a wave. I've never done that. I wave to Yelena. Very good. I better go. I love my friends and family. I love my life partner. I love my children so much. All these are my biggest loves. And of course myself. And I love Source, God, Universe for creating me and being me and being all of what I just mentioned. Life is spectacular and it's the biggest thing. The existence and the life of everything. That's the biggest thing. I love love the most as well, because love is for me so far is the highest feeling. I experience a lot more love than joy, but there's definitely a certain element of joy in love, isn't there? But in terms of like fun, happiness, excitement, joy all by itself, like playing, I have more love in my heart generally than I do experience exhilaration or that type of stuff. But I do experience and I love deeply nature. I don't know, I just went for a walk in the forest there and it's sublime. I just cherished it. It's so beautiful. And I love technology. I love Facebook, even though you can call it fake book if you want, but I love social media. I love real life more than social media, but I love my phone. I love everything. I love the day. I love the night. I'm more of a sun creature though by far, and a daytime creature for sure. That's how I'm made. That's the way I am, But everyone, I better go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a pleasure just to talk to you. Thanks for chiming in. I invite you to love and enjoy your life more and make peace with what is in existence and have acceptance for it and unconditional type of love instead of a resistance or animosity. I invite you to forgive and love yourself and accept yourself the way you are and love and cherish and appreciate your uniqueness. And let go of any grudges or resentment or hatred or blame towards yourself or other people. And let go of any shame as well. Like let go of all these heaviness. Feel your feelings and let go of them then. I better go. I gotta get on with my day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again another time. Lots of love. Have the best day ever every day. I invite you.